Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download a picture from Instagram on your ALCATEL One 2019. So at the first we have to get our Instagram application and we have to be logged into the account, and of course we have to pick up the picture that we want to download, and I'm going to take this one. And after that we can go back to the home screen and go for the Play Store and tap on the search pool and type here Repost for Instagram. And we can also take this application, take it from this quick list. So I take this and we have to get this application Repost for Instagram, the regram from the Kimsey 929. So let's get this application. Right now we can open. Click allow, and here we get the instruction how we can download the picture. So right now let's go back to our Instagram by opening the background apps. Click right here and click to share to. And we have to pick up right now the Repost for Instagram, the application that we download. And right now open background, open the backgrounds one more time and just go for our Repost application, and here we get the picture that we download. So let's enter here one more time, and right now we are able to take off the signature from the photo. So click here, and right now if you want to save it, just click on the middle button. Accept the permission and it will save to the gallery, as you can see on the notification. So right now we can enter the files, and it will be probably right here where we get the file manager, smart manager phone. Okay, let's try to enter the gallery for example, and as you can see here we got the picture from Instagram that we downloaded. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!